Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send GitHub activity into a Discord channel in just a few simple steps. Open Discord in your browser and navigate to the server where you want the GitHub notifications to appear. Click on the channel where you want the activity to show up. Click your server name at the top left to open the drop-down menu. Select Server Settings from the list. Click Integrations in the left sidebar. Click Create Webhook to make a new webhook. Discord automatically creates a webhook called SpideyBot. You can rename it if you like, but it'll work as is. Click Copy Webhook URL to copy the webhook address to your clipboard. Switch to the GitHub tab, where you already have your repository's webhook settings open. Click Add Webhook to open the webhook form. Paste the Discord webhook URL into the payload URL field. Click the content type dropdown and select application/x-www-form-URL encoded. Scroll down and click Add Webhook at the bottom of the form. GitHub confirms the webhook is added. Now, any activity in this repository will post to your Discord channel. By default, the webhook sends every event: pushes, pull requests, issues, releases. If you only want specific events, go back into the webhook settings on GitHub and choose Let me select individual events. You can test the connection immediately by making any change to your repository. Edit a README file or open a pull request, and the notification should appear in Discord within a few seconds. If nothing shows up, check the webhook's recent deliveries section on GitHub to see if the request succeeded or if Discord rejected it. And that's how to pipe your GitHub activity straight into Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.